The audio sample you're listening to right now is from the Instamic connected to the Insta360 One X2. The audio quality does sound very good, but there is one major disadvantage. Because it is a Bluetooth microphone, the range is really poor. As soon as I turn around, so to get the best use out of the Instamic, you need to be within 1 to 5 meters range of the One X2 and be in line of sight with nothing in between. As long as you're near your camera, you shouldn't have any issues walking and talking around your 360 camera. This is an audio sample with the One X2 and the Best 360 150 centimeter aluminium alloy selfie stick. There's a little bit of wind noise at the moment, so you can listen to how the Instamic is handling wind noise. I'm going to put the One X2 to the right of me to see if there's any interference or range issues when the camera is 90 degrees away from the Instamic. And if there is no range issues, then this is going to be the easiest way to get high quality 360 video and audio out of your One X2. In the box you have the Instamic itself, a micro USB cable to charge the mic, a Velcro clip, a sticky clip and a magnetic clip. The clip slides on and off the back of the mic so you can switch between them. The magnet is really strong, so it does snap on to clothing really well. To connect the Instamic to the One X2, first you need to download and install the Instamic app. Hold down the power button for 1 second to turn on the mic. Tap connect to pair the mic. Go to settings and enable hands-free profile mode. In the audio tab, I have the audio gain set to 0 dB, but if your audio is too loud, then try -5 or -10 dB. If your audio is too quiet, then try +5 or +10 dB. That's everything you need to do in the app. Next, turn on your One X2, swipe down from the top of the screen, tap the AirPods icon and let it find the Instamic. Tap Instamic and wait for it to connect, and you will see a connection confirmation. The last step is to hold down the power button for 1 second until the green LED lights start to react to your voice. Press record on the One X2 and you are now recording 360 video with the audio from the Instamic. Now every time you turn off the One X2, you will need to repair the Instamic to the camera. The One X2 does not recognize the Instamic that was previously connected. You need to re-tap Instamic under other devices to reconnect. Also, if you start recording video on the One X2 and the green LED lights on your Instamic are not reacting to your voice, then you are not recording any audio. It's really easy to forget, so always make sure that the green LED lights are reacting to your voice and then start recording. It takes 1 hour 15 minutes to fully charge the Instamic, and on average the battery life will last between 2 to 3 hours of recording time. Out of all the wireless audio systems I tested with the One X2, the Instamic is the cheapest wireless audio system you can get. It's the most convenient, but it's not the most reliable because there's always the possibility of a range or interference issue. I think the Instamic is good for those who want to make YouTube videos for fun. Just stay close to your One X2 and don't turn your back to the camera and you'll be absolutely fine. But if you want to make more professional videos, then I think you need to go for one of these higher end wireless audio systems. And I have a review on each one of these with the One X2 or One R, so definitely check out those videos as well. I'll leave a link to the Instamic in the video description. I'm not affiliated with Instamic in any way. Their stores are based in the US and EU, and the UK is not in the EU anymore. I was very lucky to pick up my unit on eBay UK for 100 quid. I know you were requesting whether this combo works, so I thought I'd pick it up and give it a go. Hit the like button if you learned something new, comment down below if you have a question, subscribe for more reviews in 360 seconds or less, and I'll see you in the next video.